Alright, we're going to continue taking apart the printer. I flipped it upside down on it. This is the front end of the printer. So we can see some of these screws that we have to take out. I think I mentioned these on another video, but my camera shut off. So we're going to take those out. Alright, and then there's two right here. These are going to take the main board cover off the back. Alright, so now you have the main board cover. We'll keep this. You don't have to use it. I like to cut it down to about here. And that way we can keep the part of the cover that goes over the power supply. That power supply can be kind of dangerous. Don't want to accidentally touch it. And pull this piece off, throw it away. There's some of these little clips, like throw that away. Spin it around here. Here's the screw that eventually has to come out. If you're going to flip it upside down like this, make sure your ribbon cables and stuff are clear so you don't smash them. This needs to be gone. Another screw here we got to take out. It might be hard to see in the video, but there's a screw further back right there that get that one out of there. I think that should be good for this angle. Flip this back over. Turn it this way. There's some screws you have to go through the holes here between the capping station, by the capping station. Get those. This one is in the plastic of the capping station, so it's really hard to tell if you got it, and my screwdriver isn't very good. There's another screw straight down in here that's got a plastic housing and the wire around it. Get that out of there. There's a little plastic piece. You can go ahead and pull this plastic piece out. It had the black wire going around it. Get that out of the way. Let's see what else we have going on here. There's another screw right here for the capping station that this one needs to come out. Alright, now what we want to do to be able to take the rest of the screws out of the capping station, you want to push down on this plunger back here and then pull up on the print head carefully and then move it out to the center. You want to make sure you get it up high enough that it's not catching on the capping station pad and breaking it off. Now that's going to give us access to another screw straight down on the capping station. Alright, so then we can pull this plate out. Let's keep that because you got to put the capping station back in later. Pull these hoses out. Push them down through. Kind of helps if you can get off the edge of a table here so you can get around underneath. And then what, I can't quite get the capping station out at this point, but I can drop it down low enough. Here, let me move my camera so you can see what I'm doing. You can drop it down low enough so you can get at another screw that's hiding behind it. And then once you get that screw out, you pull this plastic piece out. That shows another screw that's got to come out. And all these are loosening up the center. You can use a flat screwdriver. There's a little wire kind of spring clip in there to pry that out. It's kind of hard from a distance here. There we go, it fell out the bottom. So we're getting closer. There's a couple more screws in the back here that we need to eliminate. This one right here. Push my capping station back up in there so I don't have to smash it. And through this hole, there's another screw back up in there. And then we need to take this screw out too. We're getting there. Now also to get the middle out, we need to loosen this right here. You need a, you might be able to use the edge of a screwdriver. And then move that, and then you can pull that out this way. Same with this one here. Get that. That one's gonna go in actually. Get all that stuff loose. Alright, now we have a lot of that loose, and the next video will cover trying to get everything out from underneath.